Hey guys, thanks for stopping in today. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'm going to do a short video on how to drive traffic to your product. So let's say you're selling a course, you're doing affiliate marketing, or you have products, your Shopify store and one of your website stores. But any product that you're digital selling, you need to get you need to drive traffic. So, my name is Ray. I own Empire Digital Agency. You could check me out at empiredigitalagency.com. And I handle about 10 Facebook pages, 10 Google pages. I own 20 websites, 2 drop shipping stores, and a whole bunch of stuff. So, let me just show you some of my products. So this was last month's stats, and on this one company I drove, and now this is organically, by the way. I hit 796,000 people. I had 11,000 post engagements and page likes, but my engagements was through the roof, so I got 11,000. If I go to my Facebook page, on this is one of my drop shipping stores, top 5-star reviewed, 21,000 impressions. I reached almost 15,000, and I had almost 1,000 post engagements, and definitely sold a lot of product last month. If we switch to one of my main stores, let me just go here for a minute and get to the page, and I can show you, and then we'll get into how to drive the traffic organically. Home page. These are the pages I handle. See all pages. All right, so let's go to one of the car dealerships. Okay, so right now it's November 29th to December 26th. Today's December 26th. Happy New Year, by the way. Happy holidays to everybody. Right now I reached 750,000 people. Also 11,500 engagements. Here's some of my posts. I hit 300 people, 3 engagements, 6 engagements. 6 engagements. This one particular post hit 16,000 people with 2 engagements. Wished everybody happy holidays. Again, 6,500 people, 20 engagements. So I drive massive amount of traffic, and at the end of the day, that's what I think the biggest problem with everybody leaves me comments and is getting the traffic to the website. Right, so let's go. Here's what I do. On this one particular, this is my Empire Digital Agency. What I do, I go to my planner, okay? So I can plan. So let's create a post first. And what you have to do is set up your Facebook and integrate it with your Instagram. Now, Instagram is a powerful platform. That's A. B, you need to get on TikTok right away, because TikTok also is a powerhouse. So in this, on this, all my Facebook and all my Instagrams are hooked together. What I'll do is I'll take an affiliate, and let's use this one. I have a Shopify affiliate. So what I did is I took their link, I went to Bitly, and I changed the link to a Bitly link, because we don't want to have any problems with Facebook or Instagram. So here we go. We take this, let's bring your idea to life, $1 a month. With Shopify, I have my link right here, and super important, you need to get hashtags. So what I do is I go to this platform, it's called Hashtags. Hashtags, and it gives you type in the topic, and they'll give you all the hashtags for that particular product. So in this particular product, I'm going to push Shopify. So I put Shopify, and it gave me all the hashtags that are great for Shopify. Okay, boom. Copy the ad. I click on my Instagram. I put my text here. I could click below to learn more, or to buy now, or to start now, or to start your business now. Then I went on to Google. I typed in Shopify, and I got some really good, crisp, clean pictures. That is the main thing. It's a little bit of a secret sauce. If you want to drive traffic, if you want people to look at your ad and click on it, you need sharp, crisp pictures. Load up my pictures, how to sign up for Shopify for free trial. Boom, hit publish. Now this is going to publish to my Facebook and to my Instagram page. And I just want to show you something so you can see what I mean. Let's go to my Instagram page. And here's my Instagram page. See, that one ad we did went to my Instagram page. If I can show you here, look at all the likes. Sorry guys. Look at all the likes I got from that one ad. See all those Instagram? So pretty much that's how you do it. Next thing you want to do is you want to schedule it for the week. So now if you, after you do the post, you can do a schedule. You can set it up in your planner. So if you go planner, and this is my week, and what I do is I pre-plan all my ads. So today is Tuesday. I already did these posts. I'm getting a ton of likes, a ton of people. I wish I could show you this, but I'll show it to you. I'll take a screenshot of it and I'll show it to you when I put it on the website, when I put it on YouTube. And you just driving organic traffic. So let's go to Wednesday. I already have one for 12. So I'm going to set it for, let's say, 3 p.m. Save. Don't forget to click on Instagram. I put in my verbiage. I get a nice photo. And you get your photos on Google. Cool. And then don't forget to click below. Click below to learn more. To learn more. Boom. Let's copy this so I don't have to keep doing that. Let's get a little arrow down. Boom. Schedule. And then I'll just go across for the whole week and I'll set up my planner. To get your planner, you need to open a business account with your product. So whatever you're selling, a course, a drop shipping store, a WordPress store, look at all these hashtags. So website design, 2.3 million. Now when you do your hashtags, it's not going to hit that hashtag yet. It's going to you need a little bit of authority. Once you get the authority, then your ad will start showing on those hashtags. All right. And that's it, guys. I'll go straight down the week. Also, what I'll do is I'll share these pictures on my phone and I'll send it directly to Instagram and TikTok. And that's it, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. I try to keep it short. If you liked the video, give me a like, and if you like, subscribe to the channel. It would be great. And that's it. You guys have a great day and cut.